Okay. Good morning mga boss. Maglilinis muna tayo ng snow. Patahin natin. Ay ko. May matalim pala dun. Nahiwa pa yata ako. Gawin natin yung pala. Ay. Kalimutan ko yung guantes ko. Yun. Yan, dito yung guantes. Okay, finish time. Exercise. Okay. Just doing some exercise. It's okay. Okay.
You going to coming back in April?
Yeah, April 21st.
Huh? April?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I will stay again on Bellevue.
Oh, you live in Bellevue, okay.
Before I stay there.
I'll bring in your wife though. Your wife's not coming?
Maybe if I have paper.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta do it.
Yeah. I need to pass the exam first.
Alright, see that, I guess. No snow in Philippines.
Sorry?
No snow in Philippines.
No.
You send picture to your wife?
Yeah, I said the video.
The video, yeah.
Also, and always raining and very hot weather.
That's all in my truck. Yeah,
Can I borrow this one? I put on the...
yeah, Dad can stay here. I'm the one who put it here.
Okay. So maybe if evening I need to go out,
Yeah.
I just put on the front of my door.
No problem.
Maybe evening I go drinking. I need
Oh,
to...
you could not drink it.
I need to shovel first, huh?
I see you in the video. You go with the
No,
Oli, eh?
yeah.
Ah,
We
see you
always
guys.
drink there.
Singing, huh?
Yeah, we like party.
Yeah, see that singing and
Dancing. Maybe when we are drunk, we're already drunk.
what you drink? Any kind of liquor?